I would be so scared if I saw this.
With my little branch.
How do I get out?
Yo, what is up guys? I'm GChrisFX with another video, and in today's video, we're doing a POV video on a photo shoot that I did with my buddy Raul. We shot his Tacoma that he doesn't have anymore. He has another truck now, but I waited very long to post this video, so I do apologize on this wait. But with all that said and done, let's get started.
Oh, can you start getting the leaves? All right.
I have to get this polarizer. Gotta get two, one for the video and then one for the photo. Kristen's doing video. We're gonna take some photos without the leaves. See how that comes out first. Bro, there's a lot of like random stuff here.
I know, right? I feel like when to fucking get stabbed by a needle.
This, you know, like these types of shoots really makes me want like a 180 or like a 200 mil.
Oh yeah.
Just getting the different angles here.
Dude, we are all matching. That is crazy.
I know. What are the odds? Wasn't me.
Probably that guy over there.
All right, so we're gonna shoot through the. We're gonna shoot through here.
I want to frame these.
Let me try this one right here. You just gotta play around with it.
Oh, it does look really good.
It's pretty.
Oh yeah, it looks so good. Let me see. Oh, I forgot you don't have the.
Nah, there's no reason for that.
I love having it.
I think the hardest part is gonna be getting all the leaves. All right, so we're gonna switch locations. We need leaves for the shots that we're trying to get. So we're gonna go to Kristen's house, get some leaves, pack them up, make them look nice, and then find another trail. If not, come back to the same one, and then. It's so pretty. That could be cool. I just don't see that being the actual shot unless we do it at an angle, but we'll see. Trying to figure out where we want to shoot. I think we'll probably take it down to the left though. We just found a crazy spot over there. That might be the spot to shoot. All right, keep going. Nice. You should make it all the way. Keep going, keep going. Nah, you won't hit it, you won't hit it.
Hit this tree behind me.
Nah, that one you're good. Keep going. Keep going, stop. All right, now I'll hold this down while you go forward. Go a little bit, go forward. Oh my God, I'm at that final destination. Ah! Keep coming. Keep coming, come at me. Ah! All right, you can drive back. There you go, you're good. Just, we're getting this baby in there. Trying to get that fall look. It's coming out pretty clean. He told me to guide him, I'm totally not guiding him. This looks so pretty though. This is what we wanted. Oh shit. Just stay right there. Turn your wheel to the left. That looks pretty good. I think that looks good. That looks crazy. All these leaves, baby. That looks pretty sick. Oh, yeah. It looks cool, right?
Let me see how it looks on the camera. Oh, wait, the sun's gonna come out. You should use some of the sun.
Yeah, it's gonna be clean. I mean, I just don't like
which one's your record button? Did you?
The red one.
Okay.
I just don't, yeah, you can get some cool BTS. I don't know, I just don't like, I mean, it's inevitable, it's gonna be there. But we'll try it here. What we'll do is we'll save the trash bags, and we'll use some of these.
Yeah.
Roll it up.
That looks so dope. Don't get low, make sure it looks big.
There's a shopping cart there, bro.
You wanna move it?
Yeah.
I can move it. I don't wanna be dropping all the heat of it.
That shopping cart. Looks pretty though, right? See, bro, imagine if the M4 was here. All right, just help me with some leaves, bro. We're gonna put them on the car.
blow away.
The more we do it, let's just do it quick. Let's just do it quick.
But try to get it. It's fine.
I don't want to grab him.
He's in here like that.
That's perfect.
You got scared.
Yeah, no cars are coming this way. All right. Come on this side.
That one where you shoot through there, maybe. Like stand up there, shoot through there.
Oh, I see. All right, let's see if we can get some angles here. This is kind of interesting. We're on a crazy terrain, but what we can do, even if it's not the whole car, we can still get some shots. All right, let's see. Raul's gonna turn his wheels, and I'm gonna just kind of sneak in here, like so. See how this looks. I think we're good. Cool. That's a wrap for this spot. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I didn't really get into detail with settings and, you know, lighting and all of that stuff. It was just kind of a run and gun shoot. I really hope that you were able to see my mentality and how I think for the different looks that I was going for. Scenery to me is huge, and it makes the whole composition what it is. So hope you're enjoying it, learn something new, guys. Have yourself a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this, and don't forget to please comment, like, or subscribe. Peace.